Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the best platform that is currently paying Nigeria right now to make money online. Right, this particular platform is just new and most persons are rushing into it. So if you are in young Nigeria out there, you are looking for a way to make money online, I will employ you to dive into this platform and utilize it to your own benefit because is new to Nigerians currently, is new to Nigerians, and so many persons are here to get access to it. All right. So, by the way, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always be notified whenever new videos are posted. All right. So, without wasting much time, I will take you through this platform and how it works and how you self can get access to it. And if you are interested in learning more about it, how you can proceed because it's so easy and is one way to make money right now in Nigeria. Right, it's one way to make money in Nigeria because there are so many persons who are using this platform and they are catching out big. And the thing is, they pay per week, and you can also do this in such a way that you can, whenever any money, whatever you are able to make within a week, we pay to you, right? So you don't have any stress, you don't have any regret about it. And the good thing about it is that you don't need the laptop, right? You don't need the laptop. You can do this thing via your mobile phone. All right, so you can do this via your mobile phone. So now let's dive into it. Let me show you how it is and how you can get started. All right, now if I come over to this, the name of the site is called Selliith. All right, Selliith. This is the name of the site. You can see it here. This is the link. All right, so Selliith is a platform that allow people to promote products and earn commission for every sale you are able to generate. Now, the good thing about Selliith is that let me just walk you through the Selliith. This is their website. You can see how nice and how beautiful this site is. Right? You can see it say we are global business support. We are profitable. We are secure, easy withdrawal, e-learning platform. Right now, let's look at what it says. Say, what does Selliith stand for? Now, let's look at it here. It said Selliith stand as a volatile online marketplace meticulously tailored to meet the requirements of vendors, affiliates, and customers alike. Our platform provide a distinctive opportunity for affiliates to earn commission by recommending products to potential customers. Vendors on the flip side are individuals who possesses products available for sales on Selliith. Affiliate functions as marketers actively promoting this. You can see what it says here. Now look at what it says. Are the product authentic? Now look at what it says here. The product on our platform, our foremost focus is on providing customer with top tier product. They are not just giving out any kind of product, they are giving out a high quality product. Now, the thing about Selliith is that it has two ways. If you are a vendor, you have a course, you have a product you want to promote, you can make money with it. If you are someone who is looking for a way to make money online without creating product, this is also a platform that you can utilize. Now they have the best part, you can earn your money every week and be paid to you without any stress. Okay, now look at what it says here. It said how profitable is Selliith. It says it's a powerhouse of profitability where every product you see translate into your earning. There is no, okay, like you can see here, this is the any part. You can see what it says. So it's a powerhouse of profitability. There are so many things. And I said, how are commission divided between vendors and affiliates? Look at what it says. There are different commission base. It said, as Selliith, we value the importance of motivating affiliates to showcase vendors' product. While vendors retain control over commission rates, we advocate for a fair incentive, encouraging effective promotion by affiliates. You can see that. So they are always on the side of you promoting the product. Okay, they are always on the side of you promoting the product. That is why I always advise that for you as an affiliate, this is the best platform. For you as a Nigerian looking for a way to earn money, this is the best platform to use. Right, the best platform to use. Now let's begin. He said, "How do I get my earning?" That's the I know you are eager to know that part. He said, "To receive your earning, simply navigate to the withdrawal section. You can use that, and our withdrawal windows are open weekly. That means they pay per week, like I told you before, they pay per week. That is the good thing about this Selliith because as it is now, they are just coming out. So it's and also we are also in the new year. It's a good thing for you to just dive in and begin utilizing this platform. to your own advantage. There are so many products out there. There are so many products on Selliith, and you can take any of the product. Now, let me tell you, there are different commission base. For instance, if a product is selling at the rate of 20,000 or 30,000, if the commission is 50% commission, it means that for every sale you make, you automatically earn yourself 15,000 naira. How cool is that? Okay, so that means that for you who you are looking for a way to make money online, if you are able to sell like two or three in a day, any like 45K or 30K in a week, in a day, that and now times it by a what will I call it now? Times it by a week. You know how much you are earning. That will tell you that making 100K, making 200K, making 300K in a week is something that is doable, something that is very, very doable. So it means that you need to put in the time and you start implementing. Okay, so that is all. Now let's move over again. You can see the this thing, right? That is, I said now how it works. You can see that. Let's go to how it works. Now you can see this is how it works. They have the good thing about this that for you to begin as an on this platform, for you to begin this business on this platform, you need to you need to have an account with them, right? You need to have an account with them. Apart from the fact that you're having an account with them, they also have a good part whereby, because before you start promoting using this business model, you need to learn the rudiment of how this business work. That is why they have what is called the LMS, the learning platform. That's what you see here, the learning management system. They have the e-learning platform whereby they will tutor you, whereby they will teach you all the things you need to know before you can begin this business model. And the good thing about this is that all these things, like I said before, can be done with your mobile phone, and you can do this from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your home. So you don't need to be you don't need to own a laptop, or you don't need, and the good also, you don't need to also be there's no qualification, there's no age barrier, right? All right, there's no age barrier, there's no distance barrier, there's nothing that will hinder you in as much as you have not hindered yourself. Okay, so that's why you need to begin this process. You can see it said introduce to how Selliith work. You can see, all right, so they have their platform whereby they will learn the process, and also they have the marketplace where all the products are displayed, all right, where all the products are displayed. And the good thing now is, for those of you who are interested in starting this business and utilizing this platform I just told you, for you to begin, they have a registration fee. So they have a registration fee of 15,000 naira, and it will last you for 1 year. All right. The moment you register today, today is what? Today is 20th of January. So if you register today, it means that for the next 1 year, not in December, November, January 2025, your account will be valid. And in that process, you can promote any kind of product on the platform. All right, you can promote any kind of product on the platform. They will teach you how you can promote the product. They will teach you how to set it up. They will teach you the necessary strategy to implement. They will also teach you the various platform, the various social media platform whereby you can promote this product. How cool can that be? All right, so if you are interested in learning this business model and how you can begin this process, all right, so all you need to do is to hit me up via my number on the description of this video, and I will give you this necessary step and how you can begin. All right, hope you enjoy this particular video. All right, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always be notified whenever new videos are posted. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.